Do you see or no the whiteboard? Davey, do you see the whiteboard?
Now I see it.
Okay, so we continue. I don't know why. I believe que 9:40 is not 9:40, it's 8:40. I'm crazy. Okay.
It's time for vacation, Professor.
No. Bueno, okay, entonces I posted 2 videos. I say sorry for the rest of the student que is leaving. Okay, entonces now, let's see. Okay. This is 21 problem. 21 problem say cx squared minus cy squared plus dx squared minus dy squared. And it's a classical, factorization by grouping, right? And it's a classical factorization by grouping. How do you know? Because we have 4. Remember, we have the couple in red color and the couple in blue color. And the factorization in the red is c. X squared minus y squared inside the parentheses. And the factorization for this is d. X squared minus y squared. Y I can see que this expression is identical to this. Nice. I like that. When the situation happens is because the combination I select is good. Factor out x squared minus y squared. Open the last parenthesis, we have c plus d. I think no. Why no? Because I can see here another difference of square. Then I factorization this like 2 new parentheses. We have c plus d, stay here, but this is xy. Plus or minus. This is my final answer. This is my final answer. Entonces es x plus y, x minus y, and c plus d. Wow. So only stay present here. Sherman Collin, Davey, and Santana. Thank you. I appreciate it so much. The rest of the students watching the rest of the lecture in the YouTube. And as I posted 2 videos. I say sorry. Okay, crazy. I'm crazy. Okay. Let's move on to the 22nd problem. 22nd is 2. A squared minus 2a plus 1 minus 9. This is weird. This is grouping the first 3 terms. Okay. I wait the comment. So they want can you group the first 3 terms. So basically, this is weird. This is very no seldom happen this situation. Okay, this is perfect square trinomial, and the factorization is a minus 1 squared minus 9. Ooh, no, good suggestion. Because now I consider it as the difference of a square, because this is a square and the 9 is perfect square, and the factorization is, look, is square root this guy is a minus 1, and square root 9 is 3. Plus and minus. And leave it like that? No. Of course no. It's a plus 2 because it's -1 plus 3 is 2, and a minus 4. Because -1 and -3 together is a minus 4. Okay, a plus 2. This is another way to do this. But in my opinion, the easy way is not this. The easy way is look. So you combine this and this. You have a squared minus 2a minus 8. And now a factorization like a regular trinomial. I put a variable is AA, and the combination is 4 and 2 because 4 times 2 is 8, 4 minus 2 is 2. What sign? Negative, positive. Boom, and we get exactly the same answer. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Everyone follow me? Okay. 23rd. It's weird. Yes, Santana is a yes. 23 Santana, look. 14a squared plus 14. Well, the only thing I saw here is the GCF. GCF is 14 because 14 is common factor. So you factor out 14, you have a squared plus 1, no? Yeah, I know. Okay, the sum of the square is impossible factorization. Therefore, stop. Entonces 14 a squared plus 1. Okay, 24. Well, 24 is 8 x squared y squared minus 10 xy minus 3. Okay, I need help. Who help me? Okay, classification. What kind of trinomial we are doing? What kind? Is it special, a regular, or is perfect square? Oh, no, perfect square is impossible because a and 3 is no perfect square number. And regular, no, because we have a here. This is special, and you multiply this and this is 24. It's 24. I don't care xy. This is not important. It's 24. Just I try to find the combination. What is the key to open the door for the factorization? This. I'm not sure because I suppose. Okay, I suppose that we have two combinations, no? Well, let me see. Remember, the fantastic way to do that is you try one by one. So you, for example, I try to put in the calculator just in case. Okay. You have 24. I have no idea. It's 24 times 1. I suppose that this combination doesn't work because remember my goal is 10. 24 is divisible by 2, it's 12 and 2. Wow, this combination may be work because when you're adding is 14, when you're subtracting is 10 because 12 minus 2 is 10. But this is the only combination. 24 by 3 is a and 3. A and 3 never you get 10. However, 24 is 6 and 4. And 6 and 4 when you're adding is 10. Now you have two possibilities of 10. What do you consider is the best? Or what do you consider that we need to try? 6 and 4 or 12 and 2? Come on, opinion, help me. Activate the microphone or using the chat. Because this is important. This is the classical example that we have two combinations. But I need to make a decision. I stop. No. I select 6 and 4 or 12 and 2. What do you think?
I think it's 6 and 4.
6 and 4. David says 6 and 4. Everyone is agreeing with David? Santana? Chairman? Chairman, are you there or no? Only Santana and David. Wow. Well, I can see the. I know that you now Santana. Santana. Okay. David, suggest me using this 6 and 4. I suppose que es because you like this, no? There are no special reason, no? Okay, entonces I need to make a decision. So I copy the first, que es this.
Well, don't you always go with the one that adds up to the middle number, if you can?
Well, okay. However, one clue. Look, David. So you select 6 and 4, que I want to do now. You know que 6 plus 4 is 10, que es exactly the number that we need. Entonces es addition, plus addition. However, in my original trinomial, we have too many negative. That's suggest me que es subtraction.
Oh, I see. So it's really 12.
You see, no, but this is intuition. In the real life, no. You stop. You have no idea. You bring down this guy. And you bring down 3, que es minus 3. And then you separate in negative 6 xy. You copy exactly the same variable. Minus 4, no? xy. Minus 3. This trinomial, this binomial, this polynomial 1, 2, 3, 4 is equivalent to our original trinomial, no? It's the intention. Entonces now factorization by grouping. The couple red and the couple blue. And the couple red, the GCF is 2xy. So we have 4xy minus 3. Oh, those what is the GCF and the blue part? I don't know. Maybe negative 1, because I saw 2 negative. So 4xy plus 3. And this is the crucial moment, David. Look, you compare this and this. Not good. It's not the same. That means that this combination is not good. You understand now? David?
Yeah.
Uh-huh.
I see.
Okay. Entonces let's move on to the another. What is another? This one. 12 and 2. Okay, let me erase that part, because that part doesn't work. So I bring down 8x squared, y squared, bring down minus 3, and you separate in 12, pero es minus 12 xy plus, because it's subtraction, no? 2xy. When you combine negative 12 and positive 2, we get negative 10, so no problem. And now the factorization, red part, factorization, blue part. The GCF and the red part is 4xy. We have 2xy minus 3. And look at that, and the factorization, the blue part is 1, the GCF. 2xy minus 3. Entonces I can see que 2xy minus 3 is exactly the same. Do you see, David? Okay, this is the correct combination. So now, actually, you don't need to know. You try one, doesn't work. Entonces another, because factorization is unique, only one. So you factor out 2xy minus 3 and 4xy plus 1. This is my final answer. Okay, the answer for the 24. Okay, is 2xy minus 3. 4xy plus 1. Okay, this is the page number. Let me see what page you were doing. Number 4. Now number 1 page is another thing. It's a quadratic equation, something. Okay, let me erase everything. Okay, now I all up next page. Let me see this guy. Is the page? What page? Ah, this one. This one. Wow. Okay. This. Okay. This is different. Well, a little bit different because it's equations. How do you know when you factorization and that's it, and when you solve equal sign? So number one, for example, the clue can give me information that this is equation is the equal sign. Equal sign. So this is equation. Si es equation, entonces you solve. Solve means que my final answer is y equals something. To solution because it's a quadratic equation. Okay, entonces now this is a square. Sorry, it's not cubic. This is a square. Entonces I consider like a regular trinomial. X, and the combination in this case is 6 and 3, no? 6 and 3. 6 and 3, different sign, negative, positive. Negative 6 and positive 3 is negative 18, multiplication and addition or subtraction, negative 6 plus 3 is negative 3. Therefore, you separate into equation. Conclusion is solution is 6. And second equation, solution is negative 3. Completely opposite sign. Okay, so the solution set for this equation is 6 and negative 3. Okay, put it in between curly bracket to emphasize it's a solution set. Solution set. Let's move on to number 2. Number 2 is 8y squared minus 6 equal 13y. Okay, this is different. This is different because this equation is not already expressed in standard. Standard means the right hand side should be 0 or must be 0. So when you see 0 here, it's the moment that you are ready. But in this case, no. So I need to organize 8y squared minus 13y minus 6 equal to 0. Wow, a trinomial. What kind? I suppose que es special because 8 is the leading coefficient. So your multiplication here is 48. 48. And what is the combination that open the door? 48 and 13. I suppose que 16 and 3. Because 16 times 3 is 48 and 16 minus 3 is 13. Okay. We have another combination. I suppose que no. Therefore, I bring down this guy. I bring down this guy. I separate or split 13 using 16 and 3 with the opposite sign, no? 16 minus 3 is 13. Good. And now grouping. This part and this part. DCF in the red part is 4y. 2y minus 4. No, sorry, no. It's not 4, it's 8. Look. The GCF between 8 and 16 is AY. Entonces, y minus 2. Nice. And the GCF here is 3. Y minus 2. And y minus 2 out. AY plus 3. Final answer. Well, final answer of the factorization. No. It's equation. You need to solve it. Entonces, equal to 0. I forgot the equal to 0. I equal to 0. Now you separate into equation y minus 2 equal to 0 and ay plus 3 equal to 0. In this case, y is 2. In this case, is ay is equal to minus 3 divided by a, both sides. Y is equal to minus 3 over 8. Okay, this is the solution for this problem, case number 2. We have two solutions. It's expecting because it's quadratic equation, of course. Now the solution is 2, comma, negative 3 over 8. One solution is a fraction. Something like that. Okay. Okay. You follow me?
Yeah, makes sense.
Mm-hmm. Okay.
Yes, I am.
Who said that?
Me, Jasmine.
Ah,
I thought I
good.
didn't know class was still continuing.
Jasmine, I am crazy. I believe que es 9:40 y era 8:40. Entonces I say goodbye, goodbye. I suppose que es the thing que I want to finish the weekend, this week. I'm so tired teaching every class que I am teaching, no? But no, it's okay. So, thank you for coming again. For right back.
Oh.
Okay. Doesn't matter. I record this video again. Yeah, I posted 2 videos in YouTube. Okay, number 3 is super easy. Number 3 is, look, 16a cubic equal 81. Well, in this case is, no, it's a square. Sorry, no cubic. I don't know what is the reason I put cubic. It's a square. It's 2. Entonces now remember we are solving quadratic equation by factoring. In this topic, we are solving quadratic equations by factoring. Look, this is the topic we are discussing. Si es by factoring, the first thing you should do is express in standard form. Standard form is when the right hand side is 0. 16a squared minus 81 equal to 0. This is extremely important to start. Right hand side must be 0. Must be 0. Now you pay your attention in that part. Focus in that part. It's a binomial. It's the difference of a square, and the factorization is 4a 99. 81 square root is 9 plus or minus. And you apply one more time the zero factor property. You copy each factor equal to 0. Each factor equal to 0. And you solve the variable, because in this case a. Well, it's easy. It's 4a equal minus 9 divided by 4. A is equal negative 9 over 4. And this is similar. It's 4a equal positive 9 divided by 4. A is equal 9 over 4. Okay, the solution is, in this example, negative 9 over 4, comma, positive 9 over 4. Okay. Follow me?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yep.
Okay, number 4 is a little bit tricky. It's 25x squared equal 50x. You see, it's similar, no? No, because number 3 have no x in the right hand side. Okay, what should I do? Well, I need to put in standard. You put in standard as 25x squared minus 50x equal to 0. This is important step, it's super important. Okay, the majority know, but some students omit this step, so try to solve in another way it's impossible. This is the correct way. And now GCF. I can see we have GCF because 25 and 50 look family, you know. The GCF is obvious as 25. But 25x, don't forget the variable part. You factor out 25x. I open new balance. Inside we have x minus 2 equal to 0. Equal to 0. Now this is a crucial moment. And will you apply one more time? Zero factor property. In which you take every factor and you enforce it to be equal to 0, except 25. Because 25 obviously is not 0. So only you take the factor can contain variables is x equal to 0, this guy, and x minus 2 equal to 0. One solution that directly you get is 0, and the second solution is 2. The solution for this equation is x equals 0 and x equal 2. Okay, another way to do that problem, another way is, for example, before to express it in standard, you realize that 25 and 50, you can divide both sides by 25. 25 divided by 25 is 1. And 50 divided by 25 is 2. And we get this equation. And this equation doesn't this moment, no, okay. Now I express in standard. A factorization GCF equals x. And we get exactly the same solutions that we get before, except that you avoid the stupid 25 that don't do anything in this problem. Okay? This depends on your intuition, no? So you say, well, okay, 25 and 50, you divide by 25 because 25 is the greatest common factor. Okay. It's another possibility. Let's move on to the 5. Okay, 5 look like weird. Okay, the problem is that you need to manipulate, so it's not ready. It's not ready. Look, it's 5x plus 18 equal a. Wow, it's quadratic equation. I suppose that yes. Because when you apply this distributive property here, we have 5x squared plus 18x equal a. And the clue can give me information, the quadratic equation is these two. When these two exist, quadratic, degree 2 is quadratic equation. But of course, this quadratic is not already in standard. So I need to write in standard 5x squared plus 18x minus a equal to 0. Okay, now it's ready. So now, unfortunately, we have the special. Trigonometry always is complicated. So now it's perfect square, no es especial. Entonces now the problem is try to find combination, no? Okay, I multiply 5 times a. Remember, I don't care this sign, is 40. So the 2 factors of 40 Okay, when you adding or subtracting, give me 18. Wow, I lost. I suppose it's 20, no? And 2. Because 20 times 2 is 40, and 20 minus 2 is 18. I suppose, right? And no more combination. Good. And it's plus. Makes sense. But I don't know. So I bring down the first. I bring down last. I separate like a positive 20x minus 2x. Okay, because 20 minus 2 is 18, positive. Now again, grouping. The red couple, the blue couple. The GCF in the red couple is 5x. And so we have x plus 4. Okay, good. And the GCF in the second is minus 2x plus 4. And you can see clear like a word. Okay, this binomial is the same, and you know what is the meaning of this. Okay, this combination is perfect. Entonces es x plus 4 and 5x minus 2. But remember, this is not finished like that because this is equation. So the last part is a continuation. You break it down, the original equation, into binomial. Each binomial is the multiplication is 0. It's because maybe the first is 0 or the second is 0. The solution down part is negative 4. The solution down part is 5x. Let me do it step by step. Equal to divided by 5. Okay, this is the solution. Solution is 2/5. 2/5 and negative 4. Solution for this, wow, is negative 4 and positive 2/5. Okay, not bad. And remember, guys, remove parentheses, organize the equation in standard, and you focus in the trinomial or binomial, depending the problem, and the left-hand side. Your factorization, separate into linear equation, and that's it. Number 6, bring me new complication, but no super big deal. It's a fraction. And it's a fraction. 1/4 x squared minus x equal 21/4. Nobody working using fraction. And what is the fantastic way to eliminate the fraction in algebra? Well, it's classical multiplication, the entire equation, the whole equation multiplication by 4, okay, the LCD, least common denominator. And your multiplication 1 by 1, by 4, by 4, and by 4. It's obvious that that 4 and this 4 is cancelled. And stay x squared, only that, in the first. In the second, no, and the second is minus 4x, because 4 times negative x, and this happens similar. This 4 is cancelled out and stay 21. Okay, this is ready? No, it's not standard. So I put in a standard. X squared minus 4x minus 21 equal to 0. Ready? Yeah, I suppose that this is regular. Try now. And the combination is 7 and 3, no? Because 7 times 3 is 21, 7 minus 3 is 4, y sine, negative 7, positive 3. You know the agreement perfectly of the sign. Now, x minus 7 is 0, x equals 7, and x plus 3 equals 0, x negative 3. Solution is 7 and negative 3. Any question? Okay. Next problem is no good. 7, 8, and 9. No, I want to skip 7, 8, and 9. That's no big deal, but however, it's no considered my test. Okay, entonces now I want to delete. I want to upload this document again. Get this. But the next page we're doing is the fraction part. It's more interesting. The fraction part. That part. Yes. Now let me see. Wait. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. No. This one. Let me see. Yes, that one. Okay, it's simplify fractions. Okay, it's easy. Look, number one is 2x cubed. Y, what exponent? I don't see very well. Make it zoom. 9 divided by 8x7 y second. Okay. Now you know very well. Okay, when you have any variable or expression divided by itself, disappear. You cancel out. The mnemonic divided, remember, you cancel out. And cancel out is the same to say it's 1, and 1 is invisible. But in this case, you need to remember the rule of the exponent. Suppose that we have, 2 and 8 is super easy. Divided by 2 is 1, divided by 2 is 4. At least the numerical part is 4 in the bottom, and 1 in the top gets invisible. I don't need to write that. And now, x cubed and x7. You know, subtraction. When there's division, subtraction. 7 minus 3 is 4. But 4 where in the bottom? Okay, when you have a majority of text. And what about y? 9 minus 7, 9 minus 2 is 7. Where in the top? Okay, when you have the majority. And this is the final answer. Do you understand this? Is y7 over 4 x4. Yes or no, guy? Davey, Yasmin?
Yeah, I'm a little confused.
Confused? Okay, I repeat, don't worry.
I'm good.
You're good, okay.
That's always good.
No, listen, I repeat for you, look.
Yeah.
Suppose you separate this problem. Davey, listen. You separate numerical part, x part, y part, mentally. You separate like that.
I see.
And this is 1/4. Look at that. This is 1/4. This is 1 over x to the 4 power, because 7 minus 3 is 4, but 4 in the bottom. And this is y7. Well, y7 over 1, no? But 1 is invisible. So what is the answer? This, and this together. Boom, like that. Okay?
Thank you.
Let's do it one more. Well, number 2. Well, okay, let's do number 2. Bueno, let's do number 2. Okay, make a zoom. Oof. Okay. Number 2 is also easy because it's 6 x minus 2 cubed x plus 1 square 2 x minus 2 4 and x plus 1 cubed, no? Yeah, cubed. Okay, entonces now you separate mentally the problem in this part, okay, numerical, The part, este par que contain only x minus 2. And the part que contain only x plus 1. And you manipulate separately. 6 over 2, 3. 3 where? In the top. In the bottom, nothing. This is subtraction. It's 4 minus 3 is 1. But where? In the bar. Okay, when you have majority. 1 power. Okay, 1 power is invisible. Not necessarily right. And when yeah, parenthesis, yes, because we have more. And 3 minus 2 is 1 again. Entonces, x plus 1. Something like that. This is weird. Much better, more elegant is 3 over x minus 2 times x plus 1. Okay, this is the answer for this. 3 over x minus 2 and x plus 1. Okay, that was easy because this example is already expressed in factorial form. But now no. Now no. Now you express it, for example, number 3 say 4 x squared minus 13x plus 3 divided by x squared minus 9. Okay. Okay, in this case, you need to factorization. You factorization, you copy the trinomial in the top. If you want manipulate separately. Okay, this is good organization. Now it's special, it's 12. And the combination is 12 times 1. Because 12 times 1 is 12 and 12 plus 1 is 13. You bring down this guy. You bring down this guy with the corresponding sign. And you separate as a negative 12x minus 1x. And now apply grouping. Remember, red couple, blue couple. And the red couple, the great common factor is 4x. We have x minus 3. And the blue couple, the great common factor is negative 1. Or positive 1, but I don't know. It's x minus 3. Let me check in the sign, see I did well or no. Negative and positive, negative, and negative, and negative, positive. Good. One more time, I see that this is the same of this. Perfect, work perfectly. And the factorization is x minus 3, 4x minus 1. And don't forget, no, this is not equation. This is simplified expression. So I just copy this factorization here. X minus 3, 4x minus 1. In the denominator, we have the famous difference of a square, que es super easy. The factorization is 3 plus or minus. And I can see that we have one factor, que es x minus 3, que cancel out. They are twin brothers. But the final answer is in the top for x minus 1. When you have only one factor, not necessarily put the parenthesis. Si you put the parenthesis, it's okay, but not necessarily put the parenthesis. Now, x plus 3 is the final answer after the simplification. Okay, it's 4x minus 1 divided by x plus 3. Okay. Let's do it one more and that's it. Number 4. Okay, one more, I promise. I promise it's the last part. And you have 2 more words. Alex and test 3. Remember, in Alex, you can ask me an equation using the. Well, today I have a tutoring service to 5 p.m. So I start 12 to 5 p.m. Any question that you have about the homework, it's my pleasure assisting you. Okay, let's do number 4. Number 4 look like horrible. Is 4y cubed plus 12y squared minus y minus 3 divided by a y cubic plus 1. Okay, I copy separately because it's too complicated. 4y cubic plus 12y squared minus y minus 3. It's obvious que es grouping because 4 term. 1, 2, 3, 4 grouping. The GCF in the first couple is 4y squared. We have y plus 3. And the GCF in the second is negative 1. Y plus 3. Super. This guy is exactly the same, this guy. Y plus 3. And 4y squared minus 1. I finished? I suppose que no. Because here we have a difference of square. Binomial, exponent 2. The number involved in the problem is 4 and 1, que es a perfect square. Entonces I suppose que you continue factorization. Y plus 3, open 2 parentheses, 2y to y, que is the square root of this guy, 1, 1, plus or minus. Done. This is the factorization of the polynomial in the top. Okay, I just copy. Is y plus 3, 2y plus 1, and 2y minus 1. And this one is a sum of cubic, and the factorization is the factorization is 2i plus 1 because cubic root a is 2, no? Cubic root 1 is 1. We have here square the first is 4y squared minus 2y plus 1. Well, okay, the only guy I see is common factor is 2y plus 1. This is my final answer. My final answer is y plus 3, 2y minus 1 divided by, and in the top it stays the same, 4y squared minus 2y plus 1. Don't do any more because it's impossible. Okay, guys, too much. Okay, entonces now, sorry for the laxus menti. I believe que es 9:40 instead 8:40. I say goodbye because when I realize it's too late. Pero I appreciate so much David and Jermaine and Santana. Humor and Christopher Pinoza coming right back. Sorry, Christopher. Okay, stop recording.